Hi, Ali.
Oh yeah. Hi. Have a look. Yes, sir. Welcome, sir. Welcome to your vlog, sir.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. This is lobby. M Stay Hotel.
Hello. It's my friend. So much.
Good afternoon.
If you want to ask about some information about, okay, just give them, okay?
So this is regular rate is 4,400. It's minimum.
Yes. And then we have promo rate, sir. Our king bed, sir, is 3,000 with one free breakfast. And then the other one po is 2 queen size bed, 3,200 with one free breakfast.
So minimum, how much minimum room with breakfast?
Here, sir.
This one is room price list.
Wait na.
They have monthly rent if you can deal with it, if you want.
Monthly rent, how much for?
67,200. 30 nights.
30 nights.
But they have different room. You wanna see the restaurant?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
How old this hotel? When built this hotel? How?
2022.
So this hotel is only 2 years. It's new room. Okay, thank you. Have parking also.
Basement.
Yes, need to pay additional money for parking, or it's including already.
Just include in our.
Including breakfast and parking including. Okay.
You wanna see the restaurant?
Yes. Oh, CCTV also
Yeah,
have. So it's so safety here. Yes, this is name card of hotel. This is lobby. This is first we can check maybe. Okay, we can check.
See, it's direct coming for the store here. The big store here.
Oh,
The big store here.
smell like I am in Korea now. and here
It's a Korean store.
Korean store. Yes, all in Korean language. No, Philippine people like Korean foods. It's very good. You see, it's all from Korea.
Everything. And you look at the frigidaires, the kimchi.
Kimchi have. No, kimchi of course everywhere have, but
Yeah.
but I see it's
All the stuff is Korean. Yeah.
and price is not so expensive.
Not that expensive.
Yes.
It's Korean drinks, Korean
Korean drinks also. Starbucks.
Starbucks. Korean Starbucks?
Korean Starbucks. Yes. Yes.
And Korean ice cream also.
I like Korean ice cream also.
Yeah.
Price is not expensive. Yakult in hypermarket 50 peso. Oh, here 52.
The milk.
Milk, Seoul milk. From Seoul.
Yep.
161 milk, 1 liter. I think it's good.
What
Yeah, it's can prepare from this as ingredient kimbap. I order kimbap always in a Korean restaurant.
I don't
and,
have any experience with that taste.
you can try.
What is that?
It's like radish.
Radish? It's
Yes.
radish? Really?
Yes.
Sweet or what?
What? You see, pickled radish.
Pickle.
Pickled radish. Yes.
Yeah, pickle.
Yes. It's all kimchi. Different kind of kimchi you can buy here.
Yeah, different, many kind of kimchi. Yes. And this one fresh, I think, daily.
Yes. 150. Same price in the Walking Street. Near
Really?
Walking Street. Yes, same price. In kimchi restaurant.
Balls.
Lemon, you see, 60 peso.
Very expensive here, the lemon.
But I think it's not expensive. Durian. How much durian here? 600.
See the dress, this is nice dressing for salad.
Classic.
Yep.
or classic. I don't know how to speak in English. Maybe subscribers say, oh, you again not good talking.
Let's go to the thing, the ice cream.
Watermelon, yes. Seedless. It's good. Potato 150 for, I don't know, maybe for 1 kilogram. No, for 1 kilogram is normal price in the Philippines. In refrigerator, so many.
No, this is
All also in Korean is fish. Dry fish. I also, it's already Philippine dry fish. This is Korean dry fish. Meat also. Fresh chicken. Nice, it's good.
not every day they have. Not every day.
What is this?
Yeah.
Jam.
But that's interesting. The Korean
It's good. What is honey? Honey, but honey everywhere. In Philippines expensive. Honey. This is ice cream. Yoga bar. I don't know, I never try it.
That's what I like. But click not it. Like not. They don't store it good.
I like this one. This one I always. If
Yeah,
you
yeah,
go
I
to
try this
Shire, yes, it's look like fish, but it's good.
Yeah, that's one.
This one good.
So like,
It's two kind of three type of
is that Korean also?
Korean, yes. Not three. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Six kind of this is ice cream. Yes. What it is? I don't know what is this. It look like in China. You know, traditional in China.
Mooncake.
Mooncake, the same.
Mooncake.
But name I don't know. Jewel, Yang, I don't know. No.
Yeah, they do mooncake in
But
China.
now in China
Not the time for mooncake.
already
Already
festival,
finished
right?
long time ago.
No. Mooncake now. Okay.
Really?
Yes, already
Yes, now.
festival. Yes, now in China.
They have a wine here also.
Wine.
The same wine in SM. And look, Korean love golf. They came here.
How
in the
much?
morning.
How much here? Because I seen
Yeah. They said in
near golf club they sell 500 peso. This one. How much here? I remember 500 peso.
You don't need to buy it. Go to the golf course, collect it.
But sometimes they need more. I know.
Yeah.
That's why they.
They have
Say-
people there sitting in the entrance of the golf course and they buy this. The wine, no, this is the wine. Korean wine. No.
It's not Korean wine.
The wine.
No. It's not Korean.
Yeah.
Different kind of wine. It's, for example, this is wine.
But from where that one? Here? From
Australia.
Australia.
California. This is Australia wine.
I'm not
So it's not from Korea. I think in Korea don't have wine. I think.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm wrong, but what I don't know. It's for face maybe.
Yeah, there is a here. Come on, show some. Why it's not Korean also? See, all these things Korean.
It's from water.
That one.
560. Soap.
We got that one. Smells very nice.
No, really smell good, but 40 peso for this small.
And that milk.
I think it's little bit expensive.
That's so
No, for me it's okay, but not for maybe for Filipino, for some Filipino maybe expensive, but smell good.
this kind of soup here. You like this one, but nothing else.
I order soap from Dubai. I not buy in the Philippines. Good. I like this mart. It's good. It's for dogs also have foods for dog, for cats. Yes.
Let's go and tour outside in the car, okay? Inside we see all the area here.
We can check also restaurant. Restaurant,
Yeah, they have
I want to
restaurant,
see, yes.
Yeah, this one here.
Here entrance, don't have entrance.
That is the restaurant.
Ага. Ага, this is breakfast from 6 a.m. to 9:30. Okay. Thank you. So, cat. Local cat here. Not hungry. Oh, cat live here. Cat have food. Cat. It's good life here. Ah, this is cat female, pregnant, and she live here. You see, have foods and she not eat. Okay, we go to the another side because I'm not driver now. I'm not driver. Okay, this is parking for who live here. Ali, what kind of building? What is houses for rent or rent?
Some of them for rent, some of them for sale also.
Also for sale.
Yeah, and show you the office here. I don't know the price. I didn't ask. But look, we have a lot. We have this. Go around here to show you. So this way is
So Ali, here so many apartments for rent and for sale also.
many kind.
Mhm.
Many kind. There is one room, there is two bedroom, there is one studio. But I will show you now the office. If anyone want to rent or want to buy, just go to the offices here. I didn't have a chance to go. But look, all kind. And to look here, many projects. they will
Yes,
do.
yes, so many houses.
And there is a houses also.
Good, have parking, have
And they have
Good.
basement also. This is only apartment here.
this apartment.
Yep. See?
Yes, nice place, really.
Let's go there.
So wide and parking, so many. And build new house, this one.
Yeah, houses. Yeah, new building also.
New build,
It's a Korean investment company. It's still empty. Still empty.
Yeah.
See? Still. And this is the houses. Let's go to that.
And prepare for new house
we go to the
also.
houses now. That one full houses. They have townhouse, one floor if you want. The villages.
So this name call is villages.
The villages. Like for only for building. Land for sale to build a building. This is houses. See? Look at this one. See this is the houses here. Look. The houses here. This is the houses. Townhouse and this is one floor house.
This is townhouses, yes.
Yeah. And this is apartment also. You can buy I think one floor here. All. It's a house. It's a whole house. This one. That one whole house. This one. I will show you the place. with-
Chinese restaurant.
Chinese?
Yes, Chinese language also.
Yeah, Chinese restaurant.
Because I see in Chinese language.
Yeah.
Hi, excuse me, it's Chinese restaurant.
That Chinese restaurant? What? This is Chinese restaurant, right? Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. In
This
China,
one.
yes. In China, it's a
One,
market.
yeah, Chinese
Ага,
market.
Chinese market, okay.
Yeah, it's a Chinese market.
Ага, Korean and Chinese.
But there is no.
Ага, this project. Ага,
This is the
return.
restaurant here.
This is restaurant.
I don't.
No, for sale. They said for sale.
Yeah.
Clark
There is a-
office.
Yeah, see, there is a project here.
Ага, кондоминиум.
And this is the biggest restaurant here. Still, they have 2 restaurants.
Chicken Village.
Chicken Village. That's the biggest restaurant here. See?
Chinese, it's Chinese restaurant.
Chinese also.
Yes, it's Chinese restaurant in Chinese language.
There's a massage here. I
Uh-huh.
tried one time. So the
Massage.
The price 800 for 1 hour.
1 hour massage.
100, 800.
800
This is the
peso.
offices for the manager. Look here,
Mhm.
that one. If anybody want to go to these offices. Have any information, he can go there. In that offices. See that one.
Yes.
The manager. Yeah, they have the manager, have everything here. And there is casino. You go to the casino. Still here, still empty. Look, still they have.
Ага, for sale.
Yeah,
For sale here.
The most important things. That one, I think it's a hotel. The hotel. I don't know what the names.
I don't know. Maybe townhouses also.
No, this is hotel and resort.
Ah, hotel resort.
Yeah, hotel resort. I think it was abandoned. For American built that one long time ago. It was abandoned and they renewed it again. This is Bandori Hotel.
Midori.
Midori.
Ah, this one is Mahogan. This is park.
Yeah,
This is park. Need someday go to this park.
no, but the private that one I saw. See,
Private
with
park?
High security.
It's already Midori Clark.
Yeah.
Midori restaurant, Midori casino, Midori hotel.
See the views?
You can see golf club
Yeah,
and
golf club,
and
yeah.
they sell balls for golf.
These people, they collect the...
Yeah.
Yeah, see the golf court here? It's beautiful. Look.
This is park and golf club.
Yeah. I saw Korean in the morning.
We go to now to room. Ali want to show his room, and you know already how much. We go to 6th floor now. 6th floor.
My room, we call it.
Have balcony. How many elevators? Three elevators have. Every floor have microwave, so you can use microwave for guest. Hi. New hotel, very clean. 2 years only. Smell good here. Oh, every day they give for coffee. You see, coffee, Maxim, and tea. All in Korean language. Korean language. Big cellar. No smoking. Penalty is 10,000 peso. TV. Of course, Wi-Fi have. Aircon. 1 HP maybe. It's a small studio type of room, but it's clean, new, fresh, with good smell. Cabinet also. Big balcony. This is Midori Casino. Midori Casino. And before we drive here, and you can see office. This is office. You can rent house or rent a room or buy. You can just go to this office. This is big parking lot.